We run more than 1,000 construction machineries of different types all over Pakistan. Equipment reliability is very important in our business to minimize operating cost and to complete our projects in time, which help us to maintain our excellent reputation as a credible construction company. We invest in Dello products so that our engines run longer.
एक फ्लीट मैनेजर की हैसियत से मेरे लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ये ट्रक्स रोज़ाना काबिल भरोसा कारकर्दगी के साथ चलते रहें, जिसके नतीजे में डाउन टाइम कम से कम हो। हमारे इंजन्स को शदीद मौसमी हालात का सामना करना पड़ता है। सर्दियों में दर्जा हरारत 0 से कम और गर्मियों में 45 डिग्री से बढ़ जाता है। ऑयल एनालिसिस रिपोर्ट में हमने देखा कि इंजन पार्ट्स में वियर इंतहाई कम है।
Delgo Ultra with ISO Sync technology delivers more for its customers by providing extended service protection, maximizing engine durability and minimizing operating cost.
We are here at Habib Rafiq Private Limited in Rawalpindi, Pakistan to inspect a Hino diesel engine installed at a cement mixer. This Hino diesel engine has completed more than 20,000 hours of operation and has been lubricated with Caltex Dello Gold Ultra SAE 15W40. Now we will inspect these cylinder liners. The condition of these cylinder liners is excellent. If we look at the internal parts, we can see there is no polishing, no wear and no scuffing. Even after 20,000 hours of operation, Dello Gold Ultra has done an excellent job in protecting these liners. Now we will inspect the pistons. As we can see that piston rings are free to move in all the pistons. It is very important to maintain the seal between combustion chamber and the crankcase. It helps to maintain the power and control our combustion. And you can see that all the piston lands are very clean. Similarly, undercrown are very clean with no deposits. Okay, what we have here is a Hino engine's camshaft. There are 12 cams on this camshaft. As we can see, there is no wear or scratch and each cam is in perfect condition.
ये कैम इंतहाई अच्छी हालत में है, इसको दोबारा इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है। मेरे ख्याल में ब्रांड न्यू कैम और इस कैम में कोई फर्क नहीं।
Now we will look at the bearings. This is the loaded side of the bottom end bearing and this is the unloaded side. We can see that there is no copper layer exposed. Similarly, these are the main bearings and we can see that all bearings are in excellent condition. We have completed inspection of this Hino diesel engine. It is clear that good maintenance practices of Habib Rafiq Private Limited and use of Caltex Dello Gold Ultra has kept this engine very clean, free from sludge with minimum wear. Clearly, Dello has demonstrated maximum engine durability, which is customers' number one requirement.
इस इंजन के पुर्जों को देखने के बाद हम डेलो गोल्ड अल्ट्रा की कारकर्दगी से बहुत ज्यादा मुतमिन हैं।
It is great to see how Delogore Ultra actually protects our engines and helps our machines last longer.